We wait. Since a daily chart takes a while, it can take a week, weeks. You can learn how, for those who don't know how to use the phone entries, to enter entries, you choose the currencies you want to enter using this plus. So there are majors. This is Japan, USD, Euro, NZ. There are many. There is card chief. All these depends on the currency you want to trade, the one you have observed for a while. Like, let's say the Great Britains. I love the Great Britain because they move fast. Gold is also fast and stable. The exotics, they usually have very, very high spread, but USD ZAR or Euro ZAR, that's ZAR is South African Rand, they also move fairly well. So this is where you can add whatever you want. If you want to trade silver, anything you want, just click. If the commodities you like trading oil, you have studied it, you have to study for a while. It depends on your speed. So there are those who can study or observe for a few months, like 3 months, 5 months, an year, depends on your speed and the time you have availed or committed to. So you can use all these. You can, if you want to trade the Bitcoin, all this stuff, you can just add Ethereum. Depends on your preference. So if you don't want to, there is one you don't want to trade, for example silver, you just click at this, click the delete, then click that, like that. So if we are making an entry, like for example, you can see we've not entered GBP chief in GBP New Zealand because what I'm using as my strategy has not shown an entry on the daily chart. It had shown the past, but I don't want to enter in the middle, so we enter while the trend or the signal is starting. After it has shown the signal, you enter almost immediately or the following day. You have to wait for a day for that candle to close. So like GBP NZ, GBP Chief, I'll be waiting maybe tomorrow or this week until I can find a signal for both. If not, we can just leave it at that. So if you want to enter, you click on the currency you want. You say new order. If you want a smaller lot size, the minimum is 0.01. If you want a bigger one, you increase using this. If you want to less, you use that. But as for me, I use 0.05. This is where you place the take profit. If let's say you want to have 20 pips, you add like you adjust here. If you are placing the SL is usually on this other side. This is for take profit, this is for SL. If you're setting, you can place SL